Hi guys, I'm Steph. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. I can't believe that it is already August, and I know my June favorites and empties were really late into July, but I wanted to get my July favorites and empties up closer to the actual end of the month. So here are my July favorites. It's going to be a mix of both beauty products, clothing, and just like experiences, that type of thing. So I'm going to start off with beauty products. So if you checked out one of my more recent videos, I did a haul update on what I picked up during the VIB spring sale, so quite some time ago, and a few of these are from that just because I had been testing them out so thoroughly, and this is definitely like top of the game when it came to that haul. And this is the It by Breakout Full Coverage Concealer for oily and acne prone skin. I absolutely love this stuff. It has like salicylic acid in to help like treat your pimples, but it also is super full coverage. Mine is in the shade Fair, which I believe is their lightest shade, and it just goes on so nice. It really does cover everything, and then on top of that, I feel like it actually does treat my pimples. Like, I will put it on, and at the end of the day, like, pimples will either be healed or less visible. Like, it definitely makes a huge difference. That being said, if I do have like whiteheads or something that's more at the surface and I put this on, I find that I can get it looking a little bit crusty, but I like to apply this, then my foundation over it. And I'm just so impressed with the coverage, the fact that it actually does help my pimples. I'm so happy like a product like this exists, and I'm just like so thankful for it, and I really enjoy it, and it actually works. So the next few things I tested a lot are my AVH glow kits that I picked up. So I have Moonchild and Aurora. I am wearing a bit of Moonchild on my cheeks today. I'm wearing the shade Pink Heart. And just to show you Moonchild, I feel like this one has more pastel shades. They are quite glittery though. That is something to keep in mind. And then with Aurora, I would say the colors are a bit more pigmented, but they're still a lot of fun. And Lyra or Lyra, I'm not quite sure how to pronounce, I thought would be way too dark for me, and this is probably my favorite shade from this palette. And I just think they're so fun, especially for the summer. Like, I've just had so much fun wearing colorful highlighter, and it's been a real joy having these in my collection. And I couldn't pick between the two of them. I'm really happy that I was able to pick up both for a discounted price, and it's been a lot of fun just wearing them on the eyes, wearing them on the cheeks. And the color, I wish it did have a bit more lasting power, because I feel like I put it on and then within 30 minutes, like, the pigmentation itself is gone, but the glow is still there, which could be great if you're not actually into intense color on your cheeks. But I do really enjoy them, and I think they just add something fun to makeup. And I think, especially in the summer, I feel like I have more freedom to play around with makeup, partly because I'm in school, not actually at work, but also I just feel like the summer is kind of like that time to experiment. Like, it's fun. People are just more relaxed in the summer, and I've really enjoyed using them the past month. The last beauty product is kind of funny because I don't actually have my nails painted today, but for the majority of July, I was wearing this shade. This is from Rimmel in collaboration with Rita, and this is the Go Wild-er-ness shade, and it's just like this beautiful pastel purple. I love how it looks on the nails. I just think it is so pretty. I love wearing it like spring, summer, even the winter. I just love pastel shades all year long, except for fall maybe. And I love this color so much. And unfortunately, I haven't been able to find any of the Rimmel nail polishes in Canada anymore. I used to see them in like Walmart, sometimes Rexall, but I just haven't seen it lately, so I don't know what's up with that. I know the full shade range was never really here. There's just like so many in the UK, but this is probably one of my favorite nail polish formulas, and just this shade in particular I really, really love. So I have one clothing item to share with you. It's a pair of pants, so it's kind of hard to like show it up on screen, so I'm going to insert a picture here. And these are from Old Navy, and it's their Pixie pants. So they're really like slimming, skinny, a little bit high-waisted. I really enjoy them. They're so comfortable, but yet they still look so professional. I had a few business professional type things this month, and I was able to wear these, and I felt like comfortable but I still look professional. I'm really excited to pick up a few more of these, so on my next work term I can wear them, because I wore a lot of dresses and skirts my last work term because I just didn't have any comfortable dress pants, and these ones are so comfortable, yet they look so good and fitted and professional, and It's the summer, so ankle pants are really in right now, which is great for me because you probably cannot tell on camera, I'm very short. So I love picking up ankle pants this time of year because then it's like full-length pants on me that I don't have to spend money on shortening. So I'm definitely going to pick up a few more pairs. I just think they're so flattering and comfortable. I'm really enjoying them, and they're Old Navy. They're very decently priced, so that was a really exciting find this month. So as for experiences type things, I would have to say my favorite experience of July was writing my final exam, because that means it is finally summer vacation. I have a whole month off before I have to go back to school in September, which is so exciting. I'm planning on doing some traveling, which is really great. I'm going to be doing a video on makeup I'm planning on bringing with me, as well as like what I'm packing with me. I'm planning to do a road trip and also going to Europe. So if those types of videos interest you, then make sure you subscribe because they will be coming shortly. So I'm really excited about what August has to offer, but I mean, obviously, like going through a whole semester during the summer summer classes aren't always the most fun, so to be finished with school is definitely like a highlight for July. As much as I love school, it's nice to have that little bit of a break. Another more experience type of thing is my FitBit. So because of my project Anything But Makeup, if you have no idea what that is, I'll leave the playlist down below, but basically it's just a project where I try to finish things that aren't makeup. So it could be like books, personal goals, skincare products, hair care, so a whole bunch of things. So one of my goals was to wear my FitBit and try to get 10,000 steps a day. Unfortunately, I did not get it every single day, but I hadn't worn my FitBit since February, so this really helped me get back in the mindset of wearing it, tracking my steps, and I feel really good about it. Like every time you hit that 10,000 mark, it's so exciting, and I just found myself going on extra walks to make sure I hit that 10,000. It was really important to me. I would sometimes just like walk around the apartment trying to get those extra steps. So that was something I really enjoyed this month, and something I felt like I was doing to benefit me and my health, which is always great, and was just a goal of mine for this year, was to be more healthy in terms of like eating, exercising. So making steps towards that goal is pretty great. On to more media favorites. I don't know how I didn't discover this sooner, but this channel on YouTube called Cut, and they have like really fun videos. They do like truth or drink. They have like random people, and you have to like figure out who does what job or match like the dog to the owner. And they also have this one game called Fear Pong, and they do it like couples challenge each other, strangers, blind dates, exes, and I like binged that stuff. It was so good and so entertaining. I will definitely leave the channel link below. I'm sure this is not new to the majority of people. I don't know how it's something I just came across, but that was definitely a huge favorite of mine this month. Like I said, I binged it and it was highly entertaining. And finally, music. So this month I would say it's a band. Usually I do songs, but I've just been listening to so much from this band. I've really been loving them, and they're called Metronomy. I'll leave some of my favorites down below of their songs, but I don't know how I like didn't discover them sooner. At first I thought they were like a newer band, but then I looked at it and their stuff's like 2014, 2011, and I love it, and it is like so my type of music, and it's just like, it's kind of fun discovering something that's like not even new, but it's so totally your style, and I've just been like listening to their stuff on repeat. I just like really enjoy it. It always puts a smile on my face. I just think they're like really nice, chill songs to jam out to. I love it. So I'll link some of my favorites down below. I would love to know what your favorites for July were and what you're looking forward to in August. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye.